welcome back to my next video. Today we are discussing with our topic is current electricity. So very important topic. In our ICSE syllabus, CBSE syllabus and state syllabus also discussing the same topic. So very important. So very easily I just try to explain to you this chapter. Okay, so listen it properly. So first, what is the definition of electric current? Electric current is the rate at which charge flows through a certain surface in a particular direction. So what is electric current? Charge flow in a particular direction, that is called as electric current. So one word is very important here, that is charge. What is charge? Listen here, I am just considering an atom. What is atom? You already studied, you already know what is atom. The smallest particle of the element, that is called as atom. The center of atom, that is known as, yes you are right, the center of atom, that is known as nucleus. The nucleus is contained two important terms, that are neutrons and protons. I am right? Yes. This neutron, what is the charge of neutron? This is no charge in the case of neutron. And the protons have a charge. Yes, protons have a charge, that is positive charge. And one more, the main hero is here, that is our electrons. Where is our electrons? The electron is revolving in the orbits. These are the electrons. So these electrons contain negative charge also. So these are our charges. What is the importance of the charge in this case? The charge flow, that is electric current. I am right? So what are the charges is available here? Neutrons, protons, electrons, nucleons, lot of charges are here. But in this case, we are dealing with the two types of charges, protons and electron. Neutron have no charge. Proton is positive charge and electrons are negative charge. The charge flow, that is called as electric current. Okay. Then we have a lot of materials is available here. All the materials are divided into three different cases. First one is conductors. Second one, semiconductors. Yes, that is the third one. Yes, we are right. That is insulators. Insulators. What is the meaning of conductors? Conductors help to the flow of electron. I am right? Yes, this help to the flow of electron. And semiconductors partially allow the flow of electrons. But in the case of insulators, do not allow the flow of electron. The meaning is that some of the materials allow the flow of electric current and some of the materials that do not allow the flow of electric current. I am right? Okay. Then listen here. What is the direction of current flow in the cases? What is current flow? The rate at which the charge flows through a certain surface in a particular direction. That is the current flow. So direction we should consider P. In the case of proton, that is the positive sign. That means the direction of proton is positive to negative. Similarly, the case of electron, sign is negative. So the direction of electron flow is negative to positive. Negative to positive. Maybe now you have a doubt. Both are electric current? Yes, both are electric current. So electric current we have to divide it like that. Majority current and minority current. What is the meaning of majority current? We have to consider a material. That material have more number of electrons and less number of holes, otherwise protons. What is the main part of that material? Electrons. So that electron is also flowing through the material. Holes, otherwise protons is also flowing through the material. The main number is more in electron. That's the reason majority current is electron and minority current is proton. For further classification, for example, I am consider here. One is none of the conductor here like that. Conductor. It contains more number of electrons and less number of holes. This is the negative side and this one is the positive side. The electron is flowing from negative to positive. and the holes are flowing from positive to negative. Holes are flowing from positive to negative. The holes is called as proton. What is the meaning of this holes? Absence of electron, that is the sign will be coming positive. Okay. So majority and minority current flow, that is the meaning of electrons and protons current flow. Okay. Then what is the symbol of the charge? Charge is commonly denoted by the symbol that is Q. Okay. This is the introduction of the chapter. The next video onwards we have to discussing about the definitions and the expressions and derivatives, potential difference of the same chapter and numericals also. So you like this video, please share, like and subscribe my channel. Thank you.